Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can track your marketing budgets in Monday.com, your 2025 complete guide. Let's get started. First, we'll create a new board on Monday.com. Go to your dashboard, click on New, and select Board. Name it Marketing Budget. This is your centralized tracking system, ensuring all your marketing spend is visible and accountable. Now that we've done that, we'll create columns for task, budget, actual spend, and status. Each column serves a unique purpose: task for marketing activities, budget for planned spending, actual spend for what you've really spent, and status to track progress. This helps us because it gives us a clear overview of where our money is going and how effectively we're using it. Next up, fill in each task with its budgeted and actual spend. Make sure to update the status column too, so you're always aware of where each task stands. The reason we do this is to keep our spend transparent and controlled, crucial for effective budget management. Lastly, we'll set up automation. Go to the Automation Center, find the Budget Tracker template, and apply it to your board. Let me explain why this matters. With automation, you'll receive real-time updates when tasks go over budget or are near completion. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is doing all the heavy lifting, tracking your budget and alerting you when necessary. And there you have it. You're now fully equipped to track your marketing budgets in Monday.com. Remember, staying on top of your budgets is key to successful marketing strategies. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.